Hey friends, dark mode on WhatsApp has been a long-awaited feature and finally it has arrived on the latest beta version of WhatsApp. Let me show you how you can enable the dark mode on WhatsApp very easily. To enable the dark mode, we need to go to the WhatsApp settings by clicking on the three dots on the top right corner, and then we visit the chat settings. Under the chat settings, we have a new option called Theme, where we can enable the dark mode. Once enabled, we can enjoy the much awaited dark mode feature of WhatsApp. It's pretty simple. Let me show you my current version of WhatsApp which I am running on my device. So this version is 2.20.14. So this is a beta version and it supports the dark mode. If your version is not beta, you should update to the latest beta version and then try to enable the dark mode. Thank you.